Hey guys, hope you're having a really awesome day. It is finally thawing out here in rural Wyoming and we are enjoying some warmer weather. So I hope you are enjoying some warmer weather too. But I just got my monthly wellness box from Young Living and I can't wait to unbox it with you here live. I literally just opened it up. I haven't taken anything out yet. So we're gonna go through, I'll explain a little bit of why I get these things and it's gonna be awesome. All right. Okay, so I love clean makeup because I try and live as clean of a lifestyle as possible. Whatever I put on my body, in my body, super important. So I get clean makeup. So I love the Savvy Minerals makeup and I was running low on my Cool No. 2 foundation. And so I picked up some more of it. So very excited to get some more of that. If you haven't checked it out, you should totally check it out. So I'm pulling my freebies to the side because I want to show you the freebies later. How's everybody doing today, by the way? I want to hear how you guys are doing. Are you guys getting nice weather where you are? Hope so. So we also get Mighty Pro probiotic for my kids. My husband's order hasn't come in yet, so we're gonna get the other one for them because this is one kid's worth of probiotic for a month. It's really fantastic. They've found that probiotics really do a lot for your system. It's amazing for more than just, your digestive wellness. It's great. So we make sure the kids have this at all times, and they love it too, which is super helpful. All right, let's pull this out. We've got some oils in here. If you do a wellness box from Young Living, I'd love to hear what you got in your wellness box this month because it's such a part of our lifestyle at this point that I always enjoy hearing what other people prioritize for their wellness because every family is going to prioritize different things. Ooh, this is one of the freebies. I'm going to set that aside. We'll talk about the freebies that I got in a minute. All right. So I always use the cleanest possible products that I can just because I'm super, super careful because I know that anything that goes on our body or in our body is rapidly absorbed. In fact, there are some statistics that say that when you put something on your body, it actually is absorbed into your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So it's really, really a powerful thing what we put on our bodies. So I get the Thieves laundry soap. I love it. I actually can make 2 bottles worth from this. I have hard water, so I get best results if I take this and I add it to an empty bottle and I dilute it a little bit with water. But it's so concentrated and it's so good. It's great for high efficiency machines. If you have regular soft water, you don't even have to do anything to it. And frankly, I don't technically have to do anything to it. I fiddle with everything. It's just my nature. So I got my laundry detergent, or my laundry soap. Oh, got some more freebies. Now, I got the cough drops, the Thieves cough drops, because this is one of those things where we use these fairly often. They're great because they're great for sore throats, for coughs, for, anything to do with that. We have this, and I think I got 2 bags this month, yeah. Because this is one of those things that once you've tried it, you just don't want to run out. So whenever we get close, I just make sure to grab a couple of bags so we don't run out. And especially since kind of cold season has sort of tapered off, it's easier to grab it now when they're in less high demand. All right, so the next thing that I got, gotta get it out, it's pretty big. Those of you who are pros or old hands at this know that Ningxia Red is where it's at. So it is literally a staple in my life. I have it every day, twice a day. It's just part of my regular wellness routine. And those of you who maybe aren't familiar with Ningxia Red, it's an antioxidant puree that is made out of the Ningxia wolfberry, and it's super high in antioxidants. If you aren't sure what antioxidants are amazing for, do a Google search. It's pretty wild what they do. There's a lot of great benefits to Ningxia Red, which is why I have it every single day. And it's one of the things where I will never voluntarily be without it because it's made such a difference in my life. All right, so what else is in my box? All right. See, my box is falling over because it's a big one. All right, so then I also bought one of my favorite must-have supplements, which is Life 9. So I kind of showed you, like, we really prioritize probiotics in our family because there's so much research about what probiotics can do for your overall health. So this is the kids probiotic, and this is Life 9. This is an amazing, really, really well balanced with 17 billion live and active cultures probiotic. It's one that has been such an amazing benefit to me that I use it all the time. So we don't go without this. All right, let's talk about some of the freebies. So because I ordered through Essential Rewards and they reward your different orders for different sizes, you get special freebies that are just for being on Essential Rewards, which is the monthly box program from Young Living. And you get other things that are just for overall order volume. So because I was able to max out all the possible freebies, I'm going to show you all the stuff I got for free this month, which is pretty stinking amazing. So the first thing I got for free was the Thieves hand soap. This stuff is amazing, guys. The very first time I tried this, I saw such an immediate difference in how my skin was that it was like night and day. I had been washing my hands pretty often because I had at the time a child with serious food allergies and cross-contamination was a huge issue. I had a newborn infant, so I was washing my hands all the time and they were very, very dry. And this was amazing. Literally just switching from the soap I was using to using the Thieves hand soap made an immediate difference in my skin. I was so impressed. So it's awesome to get this free. It's something that we use and I actually used the points, the free points that I got from this wellness box to buy some more of it, so we're stocked up on it. It's pretty awesome how this program works. So also got a bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate. This is going to make about 29 spray bottles worth of all-purpose cleaner for me, but since this is the cleaner that we use for pretty much everything in our house, I'll use it to make like a scrubbing, like a soft sort of scrub for cleaning. I'll use it to clean toilets, like so much stuff. So this came free with my order and this is amazing. Like this is actually the product that I came to Young Living for because I couldn't find anything else that worked like it and would beat the price. So also I got some Thieves fruit and veggie soak. This is great. I've actually found that my vegetables and fruits that I use this to clean actually are more tasty, and you can hear my cat playing with one of the essential oil holder tubes under the table, but we use this. It is awesome. It contains 3 different essential oil blends, Thieves, purification, and digize to get all of the nasty stuff off of your fruits and veggies. It's literally the best fruit and veggie soak I've ever used. They even have a spray if you want to use a spray, but this is what we use. We just soak our stuff when we get it. And then also the Thieves dish liquid. So we actually can use this to clean our toilet, which is super easy. It's what we use it for. You can also use it to hand wash your dishes. The cool thing is because it doesn't contain artificial or unnatural foaming agents, it does not actually foam up like some of like the more conventional dish liquids, but that doesn't mean it doesn't clean well because the secret to cleaning is not the suds, it's actually the surfactants. And there are plant-based surfactants in this that actually separate the food or the grease from the surface of what you're washing without it having to be super sudsy. But if you are a suds person, just put about like 2 or 3 tablespoons of this liquid into a foaming hand soap bottle and then pump that onto your sponge or your wash rag, and then you'll have plenty of bubbles if that makes you feel better. So that was actually something that I like to tell people because it's a common misconception is that the bubbles clean. The bubbles don't. It's actually the surfactants in the soap. So whether it foams or not is pretty irrelevant. So we also got some pretty cool oils. We got Orange Vitality, which I love to put in my Ningxia Red. It's amazing at flavoring. It's also an oil that has a lot of antioxidant properties. I also got a small bottle of Thieves essential oil, which we go through like candy, like water. We diffuse it all the time. We roll it on the bottom of our feet. And Kunzia, which is an amazing oil for skin. And if you go to the blog and you search for Kunzia face mask that I did a really cool DIY where you can do your own face mask with Kunzia. It's a really amazing oil for skin. If you love tea tree, and you don't love the smell of tea tree, you're gonna love Kunzea because the smell is awesome and it has a lot of those same properties as tea tree. And another cool little perk is that we got this cute little Young Living branded microfiber towel as a freebie this month, so I'll take it out and show it to you guys. Oh, there's two, guys. Oh, there's two. This is so cute. It's perfect for using to clean. This one I feel like would be really perfect for polishing furniture. It's not so rough that it catches your hands, which is one of my big pet peeves with microfiber, but this would be perfect for polishing furniture. I have a really fantastic furniture polish that I will have to put on the blog sometime because I literally have the world's oldest and most careworn piano, and it shines it up like nobody's business, but this would be perfect for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my wellness box for this month. Thank you for joining me. If you get a wellness box from Young Living, what are some of the things that you absolutely must get every single month? I want to hear about it. I want to hear what you get. And I'd love to hear what's important to you enough that you get it every single month.